Hey guys, what's going on? This is Aki here. Welcome to this OriginSuite review. This goes live on the 6th of April by 10 a.m. Eastern Time. OriginSuite, in a nutshell, is a collection of tools that you need, that everyone basically needs for marketing. So you are going to be getting access in one dashboard. You are going to be getting access to a funnel builder, so you can basically set up your funnels. You are going to be getting access to a ton of templates that you can easily customize with AI, and also gives you all those features right there without you having to pay monthly fees like when you use ClickFunnels and those kind of funnel builders. So you are getting access to a drag and drop funnel builder that you don't have to pay monthly fees for. But that's not all. We are also going to be getting access to a membership creator like Kajabi and Teachable, those kind of stuff that normally you would pay monthly fees for. So you can actually host your own courses, you can host your own webinar. You also get access to webinar software that allows you to run live webinars. You get access to appointment booking software under one dashboard as well. Allows you to book appointments, allow you to manage appointments. You get access to drag and drop automation that allows you to basically plot your automation flow with this drag and drop without having to write a single line of code. You get access to you get access to CRM management software that allows you to create tags, allows you to follow up with leads and all those kind of things. You also get access to SMS and WhatsApp email campaign builder that allows you to basically manage your list and also create your own email. Even though you won't be able to really send emails here, you might need SMTP software to send emails out, but you get access to basically manage stuff here with what you're going to be getting in this software, talking about the OriginSuite software. So this is a number of tools you're going to be getting access to, and this goes for a one-time fee, no monthly fees. Now on top of that, I've put together some high quality custom bonuses here to even ensure you get the best value for the little one-time amount you are going to be paying to pick up OriginSuite. So you're going to be getting access to 20,000 plus mid-journey prompts. Now if you can use this not just for mid-journey but for any AI that allows you to create pictures, so you're getting access to some well engineered prompts that you can just put into any AI to generate some high quality pictures high quality designs as well, not just pictures. Let's say you want to do your logo design, mock-up designs, your graphic designs. Basically you will be able to do that with the prompts that you're going to be getting access to. Also 50,000 ChatGPT prompts allows you to get the best results with AI. Now you're going to be getting access to 700 plus ready-made courses and sales funnels here with PLR license, so you can actually use this, sell this as your own, keep 100% of the profit you are going to be getting access to there, which is pretty amazing. Also, you're going to be getting access to cloud-based software that allows you to add your own affiliate links to ebooks, and also gives you access to funnels to sell or give away these ebooks. So let's say you are giving away these ebooks, people will need to give you their email addresses before they get access to the ebook you are promising them. They will get access to the ebook once they give you these contacts, and then they can read, and then the links inside these ebooks are going to be your affiliate links based on your campaigns that you've actually created. Also, you get access to 10,000 plus responsive themes, plugins, talking about Shopify themes, talking about WordPress themes and plugins, HTML sites, PHP scripts that you can actually use to create some amazing website. Also, you get access to cloud-based software that gives you done-for-you bonus page templates. You get access to training where I'm going to be showing you how to create your own WordPress website. And of course, you can take the knowledge and create WordPress website for business owners as well. As someone with over 10 years experience creating professional WordPress website, and a host of other traffic bonuses as well. So all you need to do is click on any of the red buttons on this page. It's going to take you to the sales page of OriginSuite, where you're going to be able to pick it up. So it says, tired of juggling 9 platforms, 40 tabs, and 17 broken automations? World's first AI-powered marketing suite that replaces your entire $1,200 per month software stack. So feel free to come check this out in your own time to get more information about OriginSuite once this goes live, and you can actually use this coupon code to get $3 off the price of OriginSuite. So if you have any questions, feel free to let me know. You can drop them in the comment section below. I'm going to let you see how this works shortly now. Thank you for checking out this review, and I'll see you in the next.